People often ask me where I get my material, and, it doesn't matter where I go, what I do, funny finds me. I was going down Interstate 85 the other day, and I saw a big white van, and on the side of it said Southern Cremations. I thought, what makes it Southern? Do they camp out around the fire? Are the ashes scattered, covered, smothered, and chunked? Is this a Waffle House cremation? And I was working down in Jacksonville, Florida, and I'd gone out to eat. The waitress came over, gave me the specials, and said for a side I could have broccoli or the vegetable of the day. I said, what's the vegetable of the day? She said, broccoli. And then I heard a man sitting at the very next table ask that same waitress if the Alaskan snow crabs were local. She said, I think so. And I was driving home from Birmingham, Alabama one night. It was very late. I went up to the drive-thru at Taco Bell, and I kept waiting and waiting and waiting for someone to take my order, and nobody ever came. So finally I said, hello. And she goes, honey, you're going to have to hang on for a minute. So we're changing our drawers. So I think I'll go somewhere else. And just the other day, I'm sitting in the doctor's office waiting room, and a lady strikes up a conversation with me and starts telling me about a trip she's getting ready to make to Washington. So I said, Washington State or Washington, D.C.? She said, I don't know. And then she continued to talk about her trip, so I'm thinking she didn't understand the question. So again, I said, I'm sorry, did you say you're going to Washington State or to Washington, D.C.? She said, I don't know. She said, wherever the president lives. And her vote counts just as much. But our current president's favorite form of communication is Twitter. He loves Twitter. And I was thinking about what if other presidents had been on Twitter? Like Lincoln. He might have tweeted something like, taking Mary to the theater tonight. Hashtag rather take a bullet. Oh, what? Too soon?